Alright, so hey everyone, in this video I'm just going to unbox 3 books, and I ordered this book last night around 10:30, and surprisingly these books have been delivered this afternoon. So I'm going to unbox these books. There are 3 books and they are my favorites. I had been looking forward to buying these 3 books, and let's see. So let's unbox. Okay, book number 1, Flowers on the Path by Sadhguru. Book number 2, Body the Gadget, Mind is Your Business. Again, another book, a masterpiece by Sadhguru. And the last one, alright, so the last one is again another book, Emotion and Relationships by Sadhguru. So these 3 books, I am so excited to reading these books because actually I wanted to buy these books for a long time, but finally I have bought them. So that's it for this video, and I'll be putting out some book reviews after I complete this book. Thank you.